In today's video, we're unlocking 5 easy strategies to not just survive, but thrive in the face of inflation. Ready to secure your financial future? Let's dive in. 5. Review and adjust budget regularly. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your budget is a fundamental practice for maintaining financial health and adaptability. A budget serves as a roadmap for your financial journey, helping you allocate resources efficiently and work towards your goals. By routinely revisiting your budget, you can ensure that it remains aligned with your evolving financial objectives, accommodating changes in income, expenses, and overall priorities. This flexibility is crucial in the face of inflation, as it allows you to proactively respond to rising costs and make informed decisions about spending and saving. Mindfulness of discretionary spending is a key aspect of effective budget management. Discretionary expenses encompass non-essential items and activities, such as dining out, entertainment, or luxury purchases. 4. Increase your income. Increasing your income is a proactive and effective strategy to counteract the impact of inflation on your purchasing power. Salary negotiations and career advancements are essential avenues to explore within your existing employment. Conducting thorough research on industry standards for your role and showcasing your skills and accomplishments during negotiations can contribute to a higher salary. Pursuing career advancements, such as promotions or taking on additional responsibilities, not only enhances your earning potential, but also positions you for long-term financial growth. In addition to traditional employment avenues, diversifying your income through side businesses or freelance work can provide supplementary financial support. If you are enjoying the video, please like and subscribe to our channel. 3. Utilize inflation-indexed securities. Utilizing inflation-indexed securities, such as Treasury inflation-protected securities, Type ES, is a strategic approach to safeguarding your investments against the erosive effects of inflation. TIPS are designed to maintain their real value by adjusting the principal amount in response to changes in the Consumer Price Index, CPI, a measure of inflation. This means that as inflation rises, the principal value of TIP ES increases, providing investors with a built-in hedge against the diminishing purchasing power of their money. The appeal of TIP ES lies in their ability to offer a predictable and inflation-adjusted return, helping investors preserve the real value of their capital over time. While TIPs provide a measure of protection against inflation, it's essential to carefully consider factors such as interest rates and overall economic conditions when incorporating them into an investment portfolio. 2. Diversify your portfolio. Diversifying your investment portfolio is a crucial risk management strategy that can significantly mitigate the impact of inflation on your wealth. By spreading your investments across various asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and commodities, you reduce the risk associated with any single investment type. Different assets often exhibit distinct reactions to economic conditions. For example, stocks may perform well during periods of economic growth, while bonds might be more stable during economic downturns. This diversification helps create a balance within your portfolio, allowing certain investments to potentially counteract losses in other areas, ultimately fostering more stable and resilient financial growth. 1. Invest in assets with higher returns. Investing in assets with higher returns than the rate of inflation is a strategic approach to preserve and grow your wealth over time. Historically, certain assets, such as stocks and real estate, have demonstrated the potential to outpace inflation due to their ability to generate income and appreciate in value. Stocks, for instance, represent ownership in companies that can benefit from economic growth, and real estate often appreciates in value over the long term. By allocating a portion of your portfolio to these higher returning assets, you position yourself to counteract the erosive effects of inflation on the purchasing power of your money. However, it's crucial to acknowledge that higher returns come with higher risks. Both stocks and real estate markets can be volatile, and economic conditions can impact their performance. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more financial insights, and drop a comment below sharing your thoughts or any strategies you use.